road. Big baller right here. I need one of those. And just get driven around. I'll come out the back at the car meets. It's a big ass car, dude. I thought the GTR was big, but that's a big ass car. R8, R8, Porsche. I think they're all GT3s. Crazy. It's like orange red interior. I love these McLarens with the exhaust right here. And they shoot crazy ass flames out the back. Daily driven exotics cars. I did not know they took off the wrap. That shit looks good in black. These are the two that were behind. God damn, bro. Twin turbo R8, guys. So perfect, dude. I need one, dude. I need one so bad. This one's perfect. It has like that hood that I want, the fenders. Actually, it's a whole freaking hood and fender. And then this wing is just perfect, bro. Bro, what is that, bro? Tacoche? That's what it is, right? Am I tripping? That girl's weird. You can't tell me that looks cute. Go pet it, Jordan, please. Please, Jordan. The shit bites him? He gets rabies?
I'm pretty sure that's a shot. If you could put shots in there.
Yeah, mercy. That shit is crazy. We even got daily driven exotics here. And after this, we're going on a huge cruise, guys. We're about to head out. It's gonna be sick. GTR. Bro, we gotta go with the supercars, dude.
We're behind.
So Jordan, I know, look what we're with. Jordan went with Sammy, and they're around all the GT3s, Huracans, everything. We gotta catch up, bro.
You guys should be fast right now. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
You should be fast.
We gotta catch up.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. He's for sure pulling me over.
No, you can't.
Yeah, bro.
You can't.
Yeah.
Everyone hit the brakes. Oh no! They're gonna get Nick because he's in the front. Oh no! I'll send this to you. That sucks, dude. Oh man. I got you with the clip, Nick.
Alright guys, well we're getting pulled over. Make this a cool vlog. Fuck, I knew it, bro. I should have been in the front. I mean, bro. Look at this, guys. We're really getting pulled over out of everyone.
Stop along the curb here. You can't do anything, there's no way.
We'll see. Oh my god, dude.
He's gonna tell you were going there.
Alright, we'll see.
Hello.
How's it going, sir?
Good. Stop free speed now. You have your license, registration,
Yeah.
insurance with you.
There you go.
Everything's still current on your address?
Yeah.
Okay. You have the registration,
I
insurance with you?
think so. I have to find it. Oh shit.
Where'd you guys all meet up tonight?
I just found him cruising on the freeway.
Found them cruising. That's
Yep.
just by chance. There's tons of you guys out there.
Yeah,
All
I think.
right. You have your insurance card?
Yeah,
or
I
what
think it's
insurance
right here.
company with?
State Farm.
State Farm. Okay.
It should
You
be
realize
there
how
somewhere.
fast you're going when you're coming up from behind me?
I wasn't going that fast.
Yeah, a little over 100, man.
I don't know how I was going over 100.
Okay. All right. Hang tight for me. I'll be back.
I don't know how you would see me speeding if I was behind you. I better not get over another over 100 one. We'll see, bro. Hopefully it's not bad, dude. I'm gonna try to tell him right now, like, how would you see how fast I was going if I was literally behind him, bro?
You can. There's
He literally has no proof. How do all people, I'm the one that get pulled over?
know, bro.
There's so many people. That's so whack, bro. Out of everybody, dude.
I seen patrol, and then I seen how I was like, yeah, bro.
And guys, I'm never in the front. The only reason I was in the front, because I was trying to catch up to, but usually I stay behind for that reason. So that someone else could get it before me.
Okay, citation tonight's for your speed. Just need you to sign in the white box here.
But how did you catch me speeding? When I passed you, I looked down and I was going 70.
Yeah, I know. You had slowed down once you saw me, man.
I saw you.
I had you on rear radar coming up on me. You were the first car in the line. You were going the fastest.
But how? I was behind you. I just don't understand.
I know. I have a rear-facing radar in the back of my patrol car.
Can I see it? Like, see how fast I was going?
No, it doesn't lock in the speed.
Then how'd you see me?
So you're coming up behind me.
Yeah, I was coming behind
you. I see you coming.
Well, like there's like 20 other cars.
Before you saw me, you're in the front. I hit my radar button. I get a readout on the screen.
But how do you know it was me? Because there was like 20 other cars with me.
Because I have a lot of years of visual estimation, and I could tell which headlights were coming on me at the fastest. Okay, 109, man.
There was no way I was going 109.
Okay.
Sir, I looked down and I was going 70. I promise.
Yeah, once you saw me, you were going 70. Once
of course,
you saw
like
me,
everyone on the freeway.
Down.
I'm just telling you that I was going 70 when I looked down and saw you.
Okay, well,
I saw you for sure on the freeway.
I know you did once you caught up to me.
No, I saw you way ahead.
Okay, I'm not going to argue with you here on the side of the road. That's what court's for.
I know.
Okay.
It's just unfortunate because I swear I saw so many cars on the freeway.
Okay, I know.
And there's no way you would have saw me out of all of them.
No, I definitely could see you coming up the fastest.
There's
I didn't
no
know
way.
what kind of car it was initially, but I could see your headlights coming straight at me, and I never lost sight of you.
There was so many headlights.
Okay. All right.
And also, I wasn't even in the front. I think there was another car, and he slowed down first, and then I went past him and you.
All right. Like I said, I'm not going to argue with you on the side of the road. That's what court's for. Signing here is not an admission of guilt. Just let me know you're going to take care of the ticket one way or the other.
What's the ticket for?
Ticket's for doing 109 and a 65.
I was not doing 109.
Okay.
Sir.
Like I said, I'm not going to argue with you here about it.
And it makes zero sense. Because there was literally 20 cars on the freeway.
Okay, there were more than 20 cars on the freeway.
Exactly.
Sure. Yeah, I know.
Exactly. Okay. That's my point. So how'd you see me? Bro, he says he's seen a radar. There's like 50. He just said it himself. There was 50 cars behind him. So how are you gonna say I was the one that was going 109? He's so stupid, bro.
There's no way, bro.
I know, bro.
Okay, here's all your information back. Copy of the citation. You're gonna receive a letter in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Have all the instructions and options on how to take care of it. Okay.
Cool.
All right, man. You know how to get back on the freeway from here?
I think so.
Okay. All right, man.
I'll
Slow down.
I was really slow. I was slow. I don't know what you're talking about. It's so annoying. That's my second over 100 miles per hour ticket. Just put that in there.
That's like super bad, bro.
I know. That's 2 of them, bro. So stupid, bro. I get it, okay? But like he said, there was 50 other fucking cars behind him. So how is this radar gonna go, oh, I want that red GTR?
No, especially.
It's so stupid. And I was far over there.
Yeah, bro. You stopped way like before you even got to that one.
I stopped way before, bro. When I looked down, I was going like 70.
Yeah.
It's approximately 109. That's what he says. But like I said, like he said, there was 50 cars on the freeway. So how did he said, oh, I saw you going 109. How, bro?
Should've been like the car in front of me probably was going 109.
Yeah. There's like no proof, bro. Like there's literally no proof. Well, everyone smash the like button. Buy my merch. Because this is my second over 100 miles per hour ticket. It's not gonna be cheap. Oh my god, dude, it's gonna be expensive, bro.
It's not gonna be that.
Yeah, go buy a shirt, please. Go buy a sticker.
A sticker?
A sticker, bro. I don't even want to stress about it, dude. Who gives a fuck? It's a ticket.
Could've been worse.
I think someone in jail.
They literally took you to jail, bro. For 109, bro. They should literally take.
No, I know. That's what the. Okay, I talked to this lawyer guy last time. Again, actually, ticket dismissers, guys. He's taking care of my first ticket, and he said, yeah, with over 100 miles per hour, they can actually like take you to jail, and they can impound your car, and they could take your license away. They could do so much things. And last time I got let go, just a ticket, 100 miles per hour. Anyways, ticket dismissers, guys. If you guys want to fight a ticket, hit them up. Oh my god, did you just see that?
Gunned it. I think never mind. I thought you had the camera flip.
No, I didn't have it flipped. Some guy just went up the curb like
That
crazy.
really was tipping.
Oh my god, bro. Okay, ticket dismissers. If you guys need to fight a ticket, hit them up. Because he's probably going to be taking care of this one as well. Hopefully, they both get dismissed. I hope. Because there's no proof. Even on the last one, bro, there was no proof I was speeding like that.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
This one especially, bro. I literally passed you at 70, bro. How you going to say I was speeding?
corner, was like, "Hey, cop!" I didn't say shit, and then I didn't know you were behind us, and then you fucking just like.
Bro, that felt like. I was trying to catch up to you guys.
What you say?
About to gun it. I was telling you.
I saw him too. So look, I'm looking. The cop's way up there. So I'm like, oh, is that a cop, David? He's like, yeah. So I slowed down, bro. By the time I passed him and catch up to him, I'm going 70, and I passed him at 70, yeah, and he goes straight to me.
Yeah, he slowed the fuck down like that.
Bro,
I slowed him way
the
down.
guys in the carpool lane were flying. I'm talking about 130, 140 flying.
And he saw?
Yeah. Damn, and I told him, damn, I hope he doesn't get nicked. Because Nick was right behind us.
Bro, it literally.
He gave you a ticket?
Yes, bro.
So
over 100.
No way.
109, dude.
He said he got you on the thing.
That's my second one.
that's what he
This guy got it. Yeah, that's sick.
Oh, and he was bald too?
Yeah, bro, I was so big. Anyways, guys, we made it to the end spot finally with the ticket, which sucks. But look, Alex Choi pulled up in his Lambo. You saw this one in the last vlog, but now there's more room. Looks pretty sick, dude. Full on race car, bro. So bummed about that ticket, dude. Oh my god, it sucks. I think every time you get pulled over and get a ticket, you kind of just have that feeling of like, damn it, I could have been avoided. I didn't even need to come out today. I could have been at home. Like, there's so much ways I could have been avoided. But, bro, I got pulled over, bro.
Bro, what? On your way over here?
Yes, dude.
Oh, bro. Tell the vlogs, bro.
I told them they saw it.
He telling y'all right now?
They saw it,
man.
bro.
They saw it?
Bro, they saw it. I
I
recorded
gotta go
everything.
watch it.
I recorded
gotta
everything. Go watch the video. You always think like, damn, it could have been avoided. I could have done something different. I didn't even need to come today. I could have sat this one out. I could have been a few cars behind. But whatever, you can't think like that. And you can't let it ruin the whole day. Whatever, it happened. There's nothing I can do. Nothing I can do now, bro.
It's okay, Baba. Don't worry, Baba.
No, I can't worry about it, bro.
Yeah, you can't stress about it.
Because there's nothing I can do. I already got it.
Yep.
Just move on and try not to get pulled over again.
Do I look faded?
Imagine I get a third one of those.
This is for the
I know. Bro, imagine I get a third one. Over 100. I'm for sure going to jail.
I'm for sure going to jail.
You could have got so much stuff, bro, so whatever. It could have been worse.
They could have pulled me over.
They could have pulled
I
you
was on
over.
my phone. I thought he was coming after me. Cause I was on my
Sammy
phone.
was up ahead. I was trying to catch up to him.
And fire was coming out of the exhaust. So I was like, oh, no.
I wish you guys called me. This is why we need walkie-talkies, bro.
Yeah, we need walkie. Yo, that's a good thing. We should get walkie-talkies. Nick, there's a police vehicle 10 feet ahead of us. Make sure to
Bro, if you guys would have told me, I would have slowed down way ahead. You know what I mean? But Sammy's crazy, bro. Bro, look what Sammy just sent me, guys. He was shooting flames at the meat. The guy caught his churro on fire. Bro, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's literally on fire. Bro, it caught fire?
That is churro, bro.
No way,
That's
dude.
funny,
That is literally the craziest video ever, bro. You literally lit his hand on fire, bro.
No, he's like, oh, fuck.
Bro, you lit him on fire. Look at that, bro. Oh, it's a house, dude. A house? That's crazy. Is it? Oh, it is burnt. It's done, bro. The house is gone.
Hey, this next one.
That's crazy. Well, we just made it home. Like I said, it sucks that I got a ticket today, but there's nothing I can do now. I kind of have to just not stress now and just deal with it when the time comes, because obviously it's gonna take a long time for this ticket to like go through and everything. Ticket dismissers, like I said, is gonna help take care of it, so shout out to them. If you guys want your tickets, if you guys have tickets or something like that, want help fighting them, hit up ticket dismissers. But yeah, guys, it just freaking sucks. It literally sucks every time you get pulled over and you get a ticket. It's the worst feeling ever. Looked up like the punishment and all that stuff, and it's not good, bro. The base fine is $500 to $1,000. The offense can result in a license suspension for 30 days to 1 year. Imagine if I got my license suspended for a year, bro. Like, what would I do? What would I make vlogs about? You also receive 2 points on his DMV record. Also must appear in court. If you don't appear, the driver will face a charge of failure to appear, which can be charged as a misdemeanor. So yeah, guys, it's a pretty bad ticket, a very bad ticket. 2 points on your license and you can get your license taken away. There's no possible way that he saw me going 109 miles per hour. No way, bro. I'm just gonna be thinking about it, bro. So I just gotta forget about it, not think about it anymore. Let ticket dismissers do their thing. Look on the bright side, we made it home safe. All the homies are home safe. My mom always says like things happen for a reason, and it's kind of true, bro. Like, what if the cop wasn't there and I got in an accident and I fucked my car up or freaking got hurt in the accident? I don't know, anything could have happened. the cop wasn't there and pulled me over, you know? Like, what if I just kept going and I was hauling ass and the truck cut me off or something happened? Everything happens for a reason. Smaller punishment than what could have happened, you know what I mean? I don't know. I always trying to think positive. Please, please, please smash the like button for me. Subscribe to your boy if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.